Hi everybody, welcome back to Cozy Corner Crafts. And today for our craft that we're going to make is little aliens. Or you could call them a leprechaun or a bug or whatever you like to call them. So what you're going to get in your craft kits is 2 pipe cleaners, some 10 beads, and a straw with lines cut out of it. And what you're going to do is you're going to cut the straw into pieces like this, and there should be 8 of them when you're done. Okay? I have to warn you, when you're cutting these straws, and even if you're really careful, they fly all over the place, which is kind of funny. Okay, so now you're going to take your pipe cleaner and you're going to put 5 of the beads on, and you have to make sure that they go on both of the pipe cleaners. So they're kind of hard to do, but they're not too bad to do, and they're going to be all different colors. So I have 4 and 5. Okay, so this is going to be the body of your alien or bug or whatever you want to call it. So once you have these on, you're going to take your straws, just one, and you're going to put it on one side, and then you're going to put it on the other side. So that is between your knee and your hip. That's the section. So now you're going to take a pony bead and you're going to put one on, and then you're going to take another one and put it on the other side. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put, this is between your knees and your toes, and there you go. So now you're going to push it up and you're going to bend over the pipe cleaner so that this is going to be the foot. And you're going to do the same with the other side. Okay, so now he has legs and he's got feet. So you can see that it is not the whole pipe cleaner that you're going to do. So now what you're going to do is you're going to make the arms. So we're going to go about that much, and then we're going to fold it over, and then we're going to do the same for the other side. I'm just doing it this way so I kind of get the arms the same length. So now you're going to have the top part, and you're going to have these 2 arm pieces. So you're going to do exactly what you did before, and you're going to take the pony beads, but you're going to do it over the bent end. Okay, so you're going to put this one on, and sometimes you have to squish it a little bit more, and then you're going to take your pony beads and make between the shoulder and the elbow, and then you're going to take another piece and you're going to make between the elbow and the wrist. And then you're going to do exactly like we did with the feet and make a little hand. So now you have one arm. So guess what we're going to do? There's my straw, then the pony bead, and then the straw again. And we're going to bend it up and make the hand. And guess what we're going to do? We're going to do the other side. So you're going to put your straw you're going to put your bead and you're going to put the other straw. And sometimes they squeeze shut, but that's okay. So now we have our guy or girl. It could be a girl. And what do you think he needs now? Or she needs? A head, right? So he almost looks exactly like this one. So now we're going to take our very last pony bead and we're going to put the head, this part together, and that is going to be the neck. So you could do it that you could put your fingers in here and make a very, very big head. And then what you're going to do is you're going to twist your pipe cleaners together, and there you go. And there is your, you tell me what it is. Is it a bug? Is it an alien? Or is it, I don't know. What is it? Okay, so here are our two guys. So I hope you guys like this, and let us see what you make with it. And tell us if it is a bug. Is it a cricket? We have lots of crickets at the library because Thor likes to eat them. Or is it an alien? Or is it a funny leprechaun? Let us know. And what did you name your creature? I think this one should be Barry and Larry. Okay, we'll see you guys next time, and we'll see you on Thursday for Cozy Corner Stories. And see you soon. Bye.